Alright guys, I have the total finished work of this beautiful lady. Beautiful lady, beautiful. Took out a lot of the weight from the hair, took out a lot of the bulk, reshaped the haircut, and I did her hair color with caramel, like I mentioned earlier, walnut, chestnut, hazelnut. Since I'm a vegan, so I go all the nut case. I'm a nut case. So I create softness here, and this is my finishing touches. After we did the color and we did the highlights and lowlights and glaze, and this is my finished work. And Tito is happy over there. Tito sees one of her favorite lady over there. You can come and sit over here, Mr. You can come and sit over here, please. Anyways, guys, working on a magic day today. Today is a beautiful day. Another day in the paradise. That's my philosophy, and I'm sticking to it. Look at these gorgeous colors, guys. Look at that. Perfectly, beautifully complements her skin tone, her lifestyle, easy to wash and wear, and complements her wardrobe. I know this. So, you know, she's a very simple client and the best of the best. All my clients are special to me because they keep me in business, make me smile, you know. They pay me for my car, my house, my clothes, you kidding me? Put the food on my table, my car insurance, life insurance, health insurance. These are my clients. They're jewel. As far as I'm concerned, they are the queens as they come through the salon's doors. Mario Hair Design has been in Johns Creek since October of '99. Yes. So we take our work, our craft, the mastery, artistry to the next level every time clients come through our doors. Because we believe hair is an art. Is something that grows so incredibly, and you take it and you transform it and you beautify it and you bring shine and luster and carve it, craft it. It's an amazing thing, you know. I truly believe it's God giving me this gift, so I'm just sharing the gift that God has placed in my heart. I was an amateur, but now I'm a professional. You know, just remember, there are a lot of amateurs, but there are very, very, very limited amount of professionals. It's like any kind of football team or baseball team or soccer team. You have amateurs and you have professionals. So we're located in Johns Creek, Georgia. If you're looking to update your look and you look where you're very best, come see us. We make you look like a queen, superstar. Hair is only crown you'll never take off. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, only crown you'll never take off. How do you like your hair, ma'am?
I like it. Thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you. I hope your friends like it too, because originally she told me my hair kind of too short. My friends were, I said, well, they're not here, and it's not their hair, but, and again, I have to really, really respect her wishes and reconsider. You know what I'm saying? Back in the days, I thought I was a big shot. I'll do amazing haircuts. When I was living in Nashville, Tennessee, 1990, I came 90, 91, 92. I went to Vidal and came back. It was a big, big hair back then.
Yes, yeah.
And then I was in the governor mansion in Georgia. I was in the Osteoporosis Foundation. And I said the governor's, the wife's hair looked like a helmet. I was like, what the heck? I wish I can get a hold of that hair. But that was the style back then, and everybody comfortable with it. You can't change people's mind because what you think, you see the transformation, but they have to they have to agree with you. Sometimes you gotta take baby steps. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Miss Kathleen had a lot of hair back in the days. I was the first guy to color her hair. And it was her birthday, I convinced her. Remember that?
I do remember.
So we got a lot of story to tell. God bless you. Have a beautiful day and gorgeous hair. Holidays are here. Call Mario's Hair Designer 770-476-0030. We will make you and help transform your hair like we've always done for many of our clients. I have another big queen over there waiting on the other side. She doesn't want to be in the camera, that's okay. But anyhow, maybe she'll let me do it one day. Ciao guys, have a blessed day.